Brooke Trine. I'm a freeride mountain biker for Nukeproof Bikes. You know, back when I was full-time business professional, I mainly stayed in cities like Cleveland, so I had no idea what the country had to offer as far as some of the amazing landscape that we get to ride on. I really love being part of the Nukeproof team. It's really cool that their hashtag is "It's an Attitude," and I feel like I embody the attitude of biking really well as far as just living in a van full time and seeking out the best places to ride and the best people to ride with and just sharing good vibes. It's crazy coming back here to Cleveland just because I learned to ride here, and for the first couple years that I rode, I only rode indoors in skate parks on a dirt jumper, super flat ground, so I never could have dreamed that I'd be a professional freeride mountain biker riding down mountains and off cliffs in places of the country that I never even knew existed. Beat helped so much, supplying bike parts and helping me work on my bike when I lived here, and then being able to come home and hit Ryan up and he's down for me to come in anytime is extremely helpful, especially living in the van full time. Finding, bike shops around and support can be hard sometimes, so just being able to come in, see everyone, get quality bike work done and have a good time while you're building up your dream bike is insane. I think I almost cried when we built up the new Dissent because I was just looking at it like in disbelief. If you told me this is where I would be a couple years back, I'd be like, no, not a chance.